Hi, my name is Samantha Bos, and I'm with the University of Texas at Austin. I'm here today with Project STAIR to talk about how we can use exit tickets as meaningful progress monitoring and data collection sources. So let's jump right in. First off, let's talk a little bit about exit tickets. Exit tickets are meant to be brief, easy to collect snapshots of student progress and understanding. Exit tickets can provide two primary forms of data: discrete skills or universal understandings. And let's get into that a little more. If I'm collecting data on discrete skills, exit tickets will ask questions related to the topic taught that day or week to assess if students understand the material covered recently. These questions will change day by day or unit by unit. Discrete skills exit tickets will capture whether the majority of students understood the key concepts taught that day in class, or whether the concept may need to be reviewed or retaught. If the lesson taught in class included how to divide fractions, the exit ticket might ask students to solve the following problem: 3/4 divided by 1/2 equals n. If I'm collecting data on universal skills, exit tickets will be largely similar week after week and will collect information on larger concepts, such as algebraic reasoning. Universal understanding exit tickets can provide data for the purpose of implementing DBI or collecting data on the progression towards IEP goals. If the student's IEP goal included algebraic reasoning, for example, regardless of the lesson taught, the exit ticket might say something along the lines of, circle the symbol that makes this statement true. 1/4 is greater than, equal to, or less than 3/10, and they would then circle the appropriate symbol. So when we're thinking about how to administer exit tickets, it's important that we schedule time every class or several times a week to collect exit ticket data. If necessary, set a timer to allow dedicated time for completing exit tickets. It's important that we keep exit tickets brief, only 1 to 3 questions. And we need to keep those questions direct and assess only 1 to 2 skills per question. For example, a multi-step word problem with extraneous information has multiple opportunities for students to make mistakes and should be avoided, unless the topic covered that day in class or an IEP goal was to read and solve multi-step word problems with extraneous information. Be sure to grade the exit ticket as soon as possible, ideally before planning or making adjustments for the following lessons if collecting data on discrete skills. Consider collecting exit tickets via self-grading programs if possible. Consider collecting data on universal understandings 1 to 2 times a week and collect information on discrete skills the remaining days. Thanks for watching this STAIR-tailored video on using exit tickets for data collection purposes. Be sure to subscribe and check out our YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks, and I hope to see you soon.